Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Talent Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to explain about how to install a Talent Studio in your local system. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Here what I have done is I have opened a Chrome here in my PC. Now what I am doing is I am entering a context here, download Talent Open Studio. So once you enter this content like Talent download Talent Open Studio, click enter, and here it will appear the first link as the Talent downloads, ETL tools, data integration and more. So click on this Talent downloads. Now it will redirect to the main Talent official website. Here you are having a lot of products like enterprise products, free products and all. You can also install the free trial version of Talent Studio by clicking here free trial, but what I am doing is I don't want to install the trial version because the trial version will expire after 10 days or 15 days. But what I want to do is I want to install the free open source software in my local system, which will which will not expire until we uninstall this. So what I am doing is I am clicking here free products, and under the Open Studio for data integration I am clicking for Windows because we need a Talent Studio for data integration. If you want the Talent Studio for big data, then you can install the Talent Studio for Open Studio for big data. Then it will ask for some information. If you like to submit some information, then you can enter some information and submit it. And if you don't if you haven't downloaded the software before, then it will ask you to download this. Now you can download this by clicking here some download button, because I have already installed the Talent Open Source Talent Open Studio in my PC. That is why it is showing that thank you for downloading our software. So if you click here again, try again, so it will redirect it to the whatever the download page that we want. I have already downloaded this particular .exe file in my PC. So once you download this 750 MB, then again continue, pause this video for now, and once it is completed its download, then again continue my video. I downloaded it in my folder named as D drive. So it is there in my Talent folder. Here this is the folder here, tosdi -win dot -x86 underscore 64. If you want to run this in Linux, then you can run this file .sh file. I want to run this in my Windows, that is why I am running the .exe file. So double click on this file. Whenever you are downloading it initially, then you will be getting a zip file. You have to extract that into some folder, and in the inside that extracted folder you will be getting all these files like .sh and .exe files. So once you double click the .exe file, then it will load some information like this, whatever the version that you have Talent, whatever the version that you are downloading. Like here I am downloading the 7.3, so it is displaying the 7.3 here. Now it will pop up some message like, if you want to create a new project here, then you can click here for new project and enter the name here. But I want to select the existing project because I have already created a project here named as local underscore project. So I am clicking finish here. You can also click finish here. Suppose if you are a new user, then click create new project. Suppose if the local underscore project is not showing for you, if you click the create new project, then you need to enter some name like suppose ABC. So this is the project name. Then you can select as create, then it will automatically appear in this select an existing project. So this is how you can create a new project. But for now what I am doing is I am selecting an existing project, and okay, for now I will create a new project here named as ABC. I am creating it. So I want to select the existing project, so existing project is ABC. Now once it is done, I am clicking finish here. Now it will take some time to launch the VM and to load all the components related to the Talent Studio. So it will take some time. Once it is done, then it automatically opens a page for us. Yeah, it is launching virtual machine now. Yeah, it is completely loaded. Now once it is loaded, then it will start generating all the necessary components for Talent Studio. Now once it is done, then it will open say studio for us. So this is all. The installing Talent Studio is also very easy, and creating a jobs in Talent Studio is also easy. So once this type of page is appearing for you, then click start now here. So once you click the start now, then this is the Talent Studio, the main user interface. That this is how it will look like when you install the Talent Studio for the first time. Suppose if you want to create a new job, and how to do the transformations, and how to create a new job, and what are the each components in Talent Studio, I have explained it in several videos. I have explained everything in the user interface lecture. So if you want to learn more about the Talent Studio, then you can watch the other lectures in my video series. So finally the Talent installation is completed. Now that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.